Hello and welcome back. I'm still here in my same outfit because Miss Minerva is she's decently behaved, and I'm going to batch some videos so that way I have things to post for you guys, because she has decided that nap times are not for her. She sleeps for half an hour, and in that half an hour I can probably make myself a meal, eat it, and then tidy up, and she's up. So before I would have like 2 hours to be able to do certain things. Now I just do them while she's awake because why, Minerva? Because you want to play with Mama. She's so cute. Okay, so today's topic, same day, different minute. We're gonna talk about common phrases that I think you should know before going to Japan or utilize while you're in Japan. The reason why is there is going to come a time where your phone might die, or you may just want to learn fun phrases to use, and they're fairly easy and simple. I've seen people do videos like these before, but the thing is, in most cases, either there are signs that are written in English, because most things now in Japan, they have transitioned to not just having the kanji, but also English lettered. So it's pretty straightforward to be able to follow Google Maps to get somewhere, or just to read a sign to get somewhere. But there's always a time where this comes up where where you want to communicate, like Miss Minerva would like to communicate with me, but I don't speak baby. So yeah, but you would like to learn or know some phrases that you want to utilize. So here are some phrases that I think I used fairly commonly while we were in Japan. First thing, you should know how to say thank you. You're going to say thank you all the time. Whenever somebody gives you something, gives you change or whatnot, you want to say thank you. Of course, you can just say it in English, but I mean, you're going to a country that speaks a different language. I think that there are certain things that you should just know how to say before going to that country. So one of those things would be thank you. So would you like to say thank you as well, Miss Minerva? How do you say thank you in Japanese? Very good. She said, arigatou gozaimasu. And it's very easy to say that. It's just thank you very much is the polite way of saying it. Of course, you can just say arigato, and that's totally fine. But if you want to show your respect, especially if you're in a temple or somebody has done something very generous to you by pointing you in the right direction of where to go, yes, you can say that, or you can say arigatou gozaimasu, or arigato. I find the younger folks that are there, arigato is fine, but for the older generation in Japan, they are a lot more polite, and adding a little bow is perfectly fine too, just to be like arigatou gozaimasu, and be done with it. Okay, so very simple, very straightforward. You can do it. I believe in you. If you've watched enough anime, you've definitely heard them say arigatou gozaimasu. All right, the next thing is yes. There are going to be times where you're just going to say yes. Or if they have pointed out something onto a map and they're asking you if you've agreed or you understand what they're saying, you'll say yes. So instead of just saying yes, say hi. You know, how do you say it? Hi. Hi. Which is just yes. Very simple, very straightforward. You will say this one a lot. Sumimasen, right? Sumimasen just means excuse me or sorry, or if you want to call somebody over, you want to say sumimasen, can I get some help please? Sumimasen. I use that all the time. It is just a polite way of saying please come here, or sorry, or excuse me, or I need assistance. It doesn't mean I need assistance, but it just alerts people to the point that you need aid in some way or another, or you're asking for help. So, or you're saying sorry. Yes, right, Minerva? You can do that, what Minerva has done, or you can say sumimasen. And it just makes things a little bit easier, and people will know what you mean. And then you can, if you don't speak any more Japanese, you can just speak in English after that, or point them with your phone to say, hey, can you help me find this? Right? And then as you're doing it, you can say sumimasen, sumimasen. And they'll understand what that means, okay? Next thing is daijoubu, which is, it usually means it's okay. You know, usually if somebody bumps into you and they say sumimasen, you can say daijoubu. And that just kind of, it's a polite way of saying, it's all right. I'm not offended, I'm not hurt, or, you know, it's okay. Don't worry about it, that sort of thing. So, daijoubu. And then the one that I used the most, that I did not know I was going to use ever, because I didn't think that you would need to, but there are so many train systems, there are so many train platforms and things like that. So you use nanban noriban. It just means which platform, where do I go? We use this a lot on the day where we were stuck on that almost typhoon warning situation that happened between Hiroshima when we were trying to get there. We could not find what platform we needed to go on because they had switched it so many times, because certain trains were being canceled. We had to switch around to another area. We were going to just one stop or two stops, or because like a train wasn't going further or than where it was supposed to go. So you had to ask, which platform do we go to? I don't know. So you ended up using nanban noriban all the time. It was just a great phrase. But either way, those are some phrases that I think that you should try out and utilize. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, I didn't end it. How do I end it?